We are here with
going?
Aukrey. Oh yes, we are. Trying to solve this puzzle. You have to take those 4 pieces, they're all the exact same shape, and make a pyramid in that tray. Have you seen this puzzle before? No. This is from Puzzle Master in Saskatoon. It's made out of wood, 4 different colors, yellow, green, red, blue. And you're making some progress there though. You have to turn it into a pyramid.
What the heck are you?
I didn't check the right. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh! There it is. There it is. There's the pyramid shape. Man, that was fast.
I'm just.
Oh, he's just good like that.
Did you try it before though? No, right? You didn't? Okay, that's really cool. Good job. Thank you for trying out the puzzle in under a minute.
I'm just getting like that, I guess.
Chuck, this is so mean that you're recording me after Aukrey just did it and I can't remember.
See if her sister can do it as fast. And she was watching.
Can't swear, remember.
No swearing. The pressure is mounting to finish it in the same amount of time. And there is the pyramid. That's pretty cool. Thank you for watching this puzzle solve. And if you like this puzzle, you can get it at puzzlemaster.ca. We will see you in the next video.